Bro, what is this game? Bathroom line simulator? Who wastes their time on playing this game? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay, this is AI. I hate AI. Okay, rest in peace to all 8-year-olds in the comments. Bro, what is this? Okay, this is a game for 5-year-olds who try to find something dumb to play. What is this? Okay, who on earth wastes their time on playing this game? What the heck is this? It just walks for me. What's this? Cut in line? Okay, whoever plays this game, then you're a complete dumb toddler. What is this game? Oh no, there is no way. There is no way. Who plays this game? Who play this game? Like, is it like just like bots who are playing this game, or literal 8-year-olds? Like, as an 8-year-old since 2020, I used to play like Area 51, Tower of Hell, and Roleplay World. But now, look at what all of these 8-year-olds are playing. Like, what the heck is this? Bro, this is like a game for people who wants to be more bored than anyone who wants to be more fun. This looks like someone that will basically, haunt my dreams. Oh, look at these little pay-to-win. Yeah, that's what you guys get. How you guys like it? Whoever plays this game, someone please take away every toddler's iPad away. What is this game? Like, I would rather play MM2 and die a lot than playing this game. What is this? Cash loading up so that you can cut? No way. Bro, I swear, if someone spent 9 Robux on this game, then I feel bad. I actually feel bad. Yeah, whoever plays this game, then you're a complete toddler who needs to find something dumb to play.